In this video, I'm going to offer you 4 tips if you're just starting out on your yoga journey. Hi, I'm Melissa from Yoga with Melissa. I've been teaching yoga since 2002. So one of the things that breaks my heart the most is when people find out what I do, teach yoga, and then they say, well, I tried that once and it wasn't for me. And when I ask them about their experience, I think that usually wouldn't have been for me either. So I wanted to talk about some of my tips if you're just starting to learn yoga. So number 1, find a teacher that you resonate with. Find a teacher that you resonate with. I cannot emphasize this enough. I love the quote, "You may be the ripest, juiciest peach in the world, and some people still don't like peaches." There are so many yoga teachers in our world, and this is a great thing because chances are, if you didn't like the first one, there'll be another one that will suit your personality better. So each yoga teacher has a different way of delivering their yoga depending on their own personality. Depending on what you need in your life right now, you can search for a yoga teacher that is embodying those qualities. So maybe you're looking for somebody who embodies a super grounded, peaceful, centering vibe. Maybe you want somebody who will radiate positivity. Maybe you're looking for somebody who's lighthearted and keeps things upbeat. So I promise you, whatever you're looking for, there's a yoga teacher out there that will have that personality. Additionally, you might have a particular health challenge. Now, no matter what we are going through in our lives, we are not alone. So no matter how perfect you think yoga teachers are, I guarantee you they are not. We are struggling with our own mental, emotional, and physical health issues as well. So for example, because I've experienced chronic migraines for a number of years, I tend to attract a lot of students who also have migraines and headaches. And I think my students appreciate having a yoga instructor who understands what it's like to live through that experience and who has empathy and compassion for what they're going through as well. So number 2, find a teacher that offers an approach that you resonate with. Find a teacher that offers an approach you resonate with. Each teacher offers a slightly different approach to yoga. Some teachers are super anatomy driven and keep their teaching focused on the physical body. Other teachers are super jived about the energetic body and focus more on the subtle body. Some teachers focus on the philosophy of yoga, the emotions, or the spiritual aspects. So you get the point. There's no right or wrong or better best. You can choose the teacher that resonates most with you at this time in your life. If your mind and emotions are on overdrive and overwhelm, it would be good for you to choose a teacher who has some training in mindfulness. And if your main objective is to get in better shape physically, then choose a yoga teacher who is going to whip you into shape physically. If you're anxious, then it's important to choose a yoga instructor who understands how to move stress hormones through your body with movement. Number 3, you want to find a yoga instructor that offers a balance in their approach. A balance in their approach. So what I mean by this is that you want an approach in the styles of yoga that you are going to be doing. So just as you can't be awake all the time, you also can't be asleep all the time either. So in other words, you need to balance between the styles that are going to activate your energy and also calm your energy. So we need to balance our yoga practice between the more yang active styles, which are going to strengthen our body, build our endurance and energy with movement, and more yin styles, which will nourish and replenish and restore your body. Styles like yin yoga, restorative yoga, and yoga nidra. Yoga nidra, which also is known as sleep yoga. So before I share with you my final tip, remember I have a 30-day yoga challenge for beginners with short 10-minute classes. You can go to melissawest.com/begin to receive these classes. So give this video a thumbs up and put "I will find the right beginner class for me" in the comments. Also, thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. We appreciate that, and we appreciate you watching these videos so much. And make sure that your instructor understands beginner students. That's my final tip. Make sure your instructor understands beginner students. There's a saying that I love, and it goes like this: your instructor should be a guide on the side, not a sage on the stage. That is, they should actually be teaching you yoga, not just performing yoga for you to watch. So when you click on a beginner yoga video on YouTube, just check and make sure that it's a yoga class that you can actually do, with lots of options and modifications. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I would love the opportunity to teach you yoga if it feels like a good fit. Remember, you can go to melissawest.com/begin to start with me, and let me know how your yoga journey goes. Namaste.